This is like a marriage test. Today we're building a Graco playpen.
I definitely read the instructions.
Usually I put it together and something goes wrong and then he has to re-put it together.
Yeah, that'll go on the inside, I'm guessing.
It's very weighted, sturdy.
Great, so just push down on the center piece here and that looks like it locked all the legs.
Put this in the bottom.
Yes.
Wow, that's very soft. I'm confused on what this is. I think I'm doing something weird. So this is the full-size bassinet and that's the small one. This attaches to the sides. Maybe these poles go in. And he's like in a little hammock.
Yeah.
Just swinging around.
Attach the bassinet to the zipper around the Playard. Zip it closed all the way around.
Yay.
It's missing the clips and the support bars, which are already on there, which are in the middle.
That's what it looks like when it's actually correctly done.
That looks great. The only thing is you would actually take the mattress from the bottom.
Put it on top. That makes way more sense. So it's higher for like infant stage. So that's the changing area. That's the portable bassinet.
These seem like feet to something. Makes sense.
That came out of there. We're on the right track.
Great. Yep, sturdy.
Shamita, what you're working on is where parents really get stuck. Assemble the rails first.
Okay.
What do you do first? Sneak it through.
Oh. Problem solving brain.
I'm guessing these little footies go in here. Probably hooks on. That hooks onto the side. Yep.
Great.
Yay!
Well done.
No instruction manual.
I know.
Now that we know how
instruction
it's
human.
done, I think it would be a lot faster to do them.
Yeah, just knowing which parts went with which of
Yeah.
the three main pieces.
This part would be the only thing you really need to travel with.
Yeah,
and that's
it's
like pop
one
up
whole
and
unit. And then this is what it wraps in to travel. The whole thing goes inside.
oh
the
yeah,
bag
so then
instead of the hard
it
shell
easily
outside.
fits inside the bag.
Traveling with a car, like we would be going to her family's place
Yeah.
in the Bay Area, you can take all the pieces and then friends
Yeah.
and family don't have to have all
Super
these stations
easy.
for you. Nice. Very travelable. Great.
Cool.
Very
Now
compact.
instruction build complete.